Hi, welcome to Oma's Kitchen.
Oregano.
Let's make Oma's Easy Drop Biscuits. You just need a large bowl, some flour, baking powder, salt, shortening, butter, and milk. These are so quick and easy to make, and they come out as these big puffy biscuits. Mix the flour, baking powder, and salt together first. I will put the recipe here for you. Cut the shortening and butter into the flour mixture until there are no big pieces left. You can use a fork or pastry cutter for this step. Here I use both. I like to cut the shortening and butter into smaller pieces before adding them. It makes them easier to work into the flour mixture. I just use a small knife for this. Just run a butter knife along it. Keep working at it a little bit. Once I get this mixed in a little bit, I will switch over to the pastry cutter. I think the fork does a pretty good job. A butter knife helps clear the tines of your fork. The pastry cutter speeds up the process. It only takes a few minutes to completely work it all into small bits. You want to make sure there's no big pieces of shortening or butter left in there. The butter knife works well on the pastry cutter too. Now is the time to preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Add your 1 cup or about 250 milliliters of milk to the mixture and mix it in. This is 2% milk, but you can use any milk for this. Mix it in well. Your batter should be sticky when you're done. Drop by rounded tablespoonfuls onto a parchment paper lined cookie sheet about 1 inch apart. There is no kneading or rolling out or cutting to worry about here. I've flattened the tops just a little bit with the back of the spoon. This recipe makes 10 to 12 biscuits, depending on how big your spoonfuls are. Put them into your 450-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes and just check on them toward the end. Make sure the tops aren't getting too brown, but you want a little bit of browning on there. And here they are. These are light and fluffy, but they crumble well. Soft pillows of biscuits, brown on the bottom. They're wonderful. Thank you for joining me in Oma's Kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll upload more tasty videos soon, and a special shout out to Moon Pie and Lil Bit. Till next time.
Oregano.